Yo, what's up?
What's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video I'm flying to Switzerland to continue my Cactus cook-up series. I'm here with my guy LLB and we're heading over there to link up with one of the best sample makers I've ever come across. He goes by Alhug and he's a Latin Grammy Award winner. He's got some crazy placements with people like Kodak Black, Headie One, Aitch, Chance the Rapper, and he's about to school us both because the level of talent he's got is just crazy. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens.
Yo, what's up? Come in, come in. Also water, snacks.
Oh, perfect, thanks. Okay, so I'm here with my guy Alhug, and seeing as though he's the master of samples, I think the plan for today is he's gonna start working on a sample and then we'll figure out a way to flip it, maybe make some kind of boom bap beat, or we'll just see what the vibe's saying when we start cooking up.
Yeah, that sounds way better. Let's record it. I just want to see if it's this hand. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Probably
Maybe
your
right hand.
what you're doing is pulling the string like this, and then it bounces back on the fretboard.
So it should be like
yes,
like
to the
that.
side.
That's nice, yeah.
And then E.
Lower E.
Yeah.
Let's do at least like 2 takes where we all sing the same note, and then we can do like 2 takes where we kind of everybody improvises.
Yeah.
And or stay whatever you want.
Okay.
And then we'll see how we layer that. The third one is not good actually. It's good. Yeah, that's good.
That's cool.
Yeah.
We have everything.
some like wet kind of snap. To the driver's seat.
The snap, man.
Right, yeah, I think I'm just doing things for the sake of it now. I think it's nice. Yeah, like that.
I think that sounds better.
We can just record.
Yeah, we could record that in.
Then.
Yeah, that could work. That could sound better than open hat, you know.
Yeah.
That one was cool, but we need the longer one too. Maybe that one?
Yeah, that could work.
Just tweak it a little bit, but I think that's perfect.
This is a big job.
It's like dramatic music now.
Yeah.
No, that wasn't good.
That was terrible. Right. Skills.
About to run the drum loop that we've got through a tape machine.
Yeah, sounds pretty cool. sample is crazy.